Good morning to all of you. On the previous day, I was explained the two types of the rational number. One of the rational number is terminating rational number and another is non-terminating rational number. Without actual division, how we can say that which rational number are terminating or which rational number are non-terminating? The topic is what condition of denominator of rational number q? What will be the denominator of rational number q? We can say that these are terminating or these are non-terminating. I am writing some topics, some things to understanding that. Number is when the denominator are in the form. When the denominator, that means q, are in the form 2 to the power m. That means what is the meaning of 2 to the power m? That is the number of times of 2. That means 2 के power 3, 2 के power 4, 2 के power 5, 2 के power 6 and so on. Similarly, when the denominator are in the form 2 के power m or 5 के power n, that means 5 into 5 into 5 and so on. We can write 5 के power 3, also 5 के power 6 and so on. That means 5 के power n or 2 के power m into 5 के power n. If the denominator of rational number in the form 2 के power m, either 5 के power n or 2 के power m or 5 के power n are called terminating rational number. I am giving some examples. 19 upon 16. Next, 73 upon 625. 111 upon 400 and etc. Here is the denominator 16. Here is the denominator 625. Here is the denominator 400. What kinds of? These are terminating. How we can say that without actual division? How we can see that? To observe that what types of the denominator? Here is the 16. To find the prime factor, 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4 and 2 1 is 2. What is the? We can write 19 upon how many times? 1 2 3 4, 2 to the power 4. This is the 2 to the power m. Here is the form of 2 to the power m. So this is the terminating. Similarly, the next number is 73 upon 625. To find the prime factorization of 625, 6 to 5 divided by this number of 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25. Again divided by 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25, 5 5 5 is 25. Here is the 5 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. We can write 73 upon 625. Here is the denominator are in the form 5 के power 4. So these are terminating. Similarly, here is the 111. 111 upon. Here is the 400 denominator. So first we find the prime factor of 400. Here is the 400. 2 2 is 4, 0 0, 2 1 is 0, 2 50, 2 25, 5, 5. What times? 1 times 2, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. We can write 2 to the power 4 and 5 to the power 2. Here is the 2 to the power m and 5 to the power n. Here is the form of 2 to the power m and 5 to the power n. So these are terminating. So these rational numbers are terminating, except when the denominator not are in the form. Next topics, when the denominator not are in the form 2 to the power m or 5 to the power n or 2 to the power m into 5 to the power m are called non-terminating. Are called non-terminating. Example: 7 upon 3, 5 upon 6, 33 upon 7, etc. Here is the denominator not are in the form 2 के power m or 5 के power m or 2 के power m into 5 के power m. Here the denominator are in the form 2 into 3, 2 के power 1, but here is the not 5 के power m, here is the 3 के power 1. Here is the 7 के power 1. So we can say that these rational number are non-terminating rational number. Now in exercise 1.3, the question number 6, same things asking to you, look at several examples of rational number in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers with no common factors other than 1 and having terminating decimal representation. Can you guess what property q must satisfy? Asking for you which types of the rational number are terminating rational number and which are non-terminating rational number. Write with an examples what types of the property of q. When I explain what types of the property of q, property of q for terminating 2 to the power m or terminating property of q 2 to the power m or 5 के power n or 2 के power m into 5 के power n. When the q are in the form, these are terminating. For non-terminating, not are in the form 2 के power m और 5 के power n और 2 के power m into 5 के power n. The denominator, when the denominator are not in the form any one of them, then it is called non-terminating. When the denominator are in the form any one of them, either this and either this, these are called terminating, but these are non-terminating. Next question, question number 7. Write 3 numbers whose decimal expansion are non-terminating or non-repeating. That means write the decimal expansion, but these are non-terminating or non-repeating, that means non-recurring. That means these numbers are irrational number. Write the 3, but possible to decimal. I am writing one number 0.10100. Here is non-terminating, but this is the decimal expansion, but non-terminating and non-repeating. Again 1,000,000 and dotted. Other number 0.20 200, 200, and so on. Other number we write 0.3, 0, 3, 00, 3, 000 we can write. Here is the 3 number. Another number similarly we can write. There are different type of the number which are the decimal expansion, but these are non-terminating and non-repeating. Next question number 8. Find different irrational number between the rational number. Insert between two rational number or irrational number. To insert irrational number between two rational number. How we can insert? First we divide this number. Now divided by 7 to 5, taking the decimal. 7 7 ja 49, 1 carry. Again write, placing the 0. 7 1 ja 7. Here is the 3, 7, placing the 0. 7 4 ja 28, 2, 2, and again place 7 2 ja 14, and 6, and so on. After that, write that here is the 4 decimal place. Left that, again divided by 11 to 9, placing the decimal. Here is the 11 8 ja 88. Here is the 2, placing 0. 11 1 ja 11. Here is the 9. Again 11 8 ja 88. Here is the 8.8. Taking only 2. Here is the 0.71. The number what is get 0.71 or 0.81. To write the insert between 0.71 and between 0.81, we can write 0.7 to 0.72, 0, 72, 00, 72, 000, and we can write. This is the first rational number inserting. After that we insert 0.73, 0, 73, 00, 73, 000 in this way. Second number and third number 0.74, 074, 0074, 000. Similarly, we can write different type of the number 71, 0.71 and 0.81. Between many of the irrational number can be placed between this rational number and this rational number. Next, question number 9. Question number 9. To classify that which number are rational number or irrational number. Which number are rational or irrational number. We know that which number are not a perfect square, not a perfect cube, are called irrational number. But here the question number 1. Question number 1, 23. 23 is a not a perfect square. 23 not a perfect square. That is the irrational. Question number 2, 225. Under root 225. Find the prime factor of 225. 225. 5 4 the 20. 5 5 the 25. 5 9 the 45. 3 3 the 9. Here is the prime factor. 5 into 2. We can write 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. Here is the pair of number. Pair of number. So it is the perfect square. So we can write this is the rational. This is the rational number. Similarly, we can write here is the question number third 0.3796. This is the decimal expansion. This is the terminating rational number. So it is a rational. Next here is the 7.4. Question number 4. 7.4. 7 8 4 7 8. Here is the repeating rational number 478 478. That is the repeating. That is also rational number. Question number 5. Here is the 1.10, 100, 100. This is the non-terminating or non-repeating. These numbers are non-terminating and non-repeating, so it is a irrational number. Thank you. Goodbye. Next day I will explain other things. Goodbye.